I'm Aaron Murch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to take a look at the reference content type in Shopify's Online Store 2.0. On the Metafield definition screen, you'll see that I've already entered a name and a description for this metafield and selected the reference content type. I've named the metafield Related Product and described its contents as an upsell link or cross-sell link to be included in the product story. The reference content type makes it very easy for your internal users to create links to specific pages, products, or variants from the product page. In this example, we've selected product under our reference settings because we're using this metafield to link to upsell or cross-sell opportunities in the front end of Shopify. Since we're happy with our metafield definition, let's click Save and take a look at how this appears in the back end of Shopify. Our new metafield appears in the Metafields section at the bottom of the product page. After clicking the button, a modal appears, allowing us to select any product from our online store. With just a few clicks, we've created a product link that can now be dynamically displayed in the front end of Shopify. To understand how to display dynamic data in the front end of your store, check out our video on creating a metafield in Shopify's Online Store 2.0.